My name is Kirsten and I'm the teacher.
And my name is Owen and I'm an athlete.
Slide of NWABA logo. Locomotor skill, sliding. Picture of polyspot, tactile sliding diagram, artist's figurine, sound source.
Now we are going to work on the locomotor skill of sliding. I'm going to show Elwin our sliding tactile diagram.
Use an artist figurine to further demonstrate the movement.
Their hands are out, their palms, they're going to face to the front. And so then which foot do you want leading?
We'll take him this way.
Perfect. So it's going to be left step, right slide. Left step, right slide.
Use polyspots to assist the athlete in completing the task.
I'm going to have you pick up your right foot and I'm going to put a polyspot underneath. So your right foot's going to stay in contact with the polyspot the entire time. So I want you to have your feet together. Your hands are out in front. You're with your palms facing forward. I want you to bend your knees and push your butt out. So my knees are bent.
Okay.
And my butt is pushed out.
So like this?
Yes, I like how your chin is up, your shoulders are up, but your butt is pushed out a little bit.
Got it.
So I want you to take left step, right slide. Left step, right slide. Left step, right slide. Left step, right slide. Left step, right slide.
Remove the polyspots once the athlete is comfortable with the skill.
When you had the polyspot on the ground and you were sliding it across the ground, what did it sound like?
Kind of like a scrape?
Yeah, so it sounded like it was scraping. And when you heard that scraping sound, then you knew your sliding foot was always on the ground, correct?
Yep.
Yes. So now what I want you to do, I want you to set up your body yourself to slide. And I want you to slide towards me. I am probably 3 slides away from you. And I want you to just set your body up and then slide towards me when you're ready. All right. Perfect. Nice job. I liked how you kept your body low when you were sliding. I heard the squeaking of your right foot, which let me know that your right foot was always staying in contact with the ground.
Difficulty and duration should increase as the athlete progresses.
That was the skill of sliding, and when the athlete becomes more proficient with the skill, they can work on changing directions quickly from left to right when they're sliding, or starting to move on different planes and sliding further distances to really work on keeping their body low.
For more, visit the Sports Adaptations page at www.nwaba.org. Thank you for watching. Slide of NWABA logo.